Here we are at Accu HQ in Huddersfield. Today we've got some of Huddersfield Town's first team players on site to take part in our Robot Football Challenge. At Accu, we love robots, so we've got some of our robotic experts pitted against first team footballers. Let's see who's best.
Oh my days. This is really cool. That's cool, huh? Who made this? This is actually sick.
Welcome guys to the Accu Stadium. So your opponent today is going to be Team Accu. So guys, I want a nice clean game today, so there'll be no pushing, no shoving, no running. First point is you've got to score your goal and the opponent's goal, and after that you need to go get yourself a component from our warehouse and bring it back and put it into your allocated box. After that, the next player will come on and do the same. The first round is Clash of the Titans. They'll be the top two sold components we sell, so that's the hex bolt and the cap head. Second round is just a tap-in. One team will be going to get the self-tapping screws and the other one will be getting the plastic self-tapping screws. The last round is David and Goliath, so one of you will be going and getting a very large bolt, whilst the other will be getting a micro screw, which is barely visible to the naked eye, so good luck with that one. The final round is as bold as brass, where one of you will be getting a brass nut and the other one will be getting a brass inset. Take your positions, you know the game, you know what we're looking for, so if you could pick up your remotes.
Hey, come on, Raza.
Oh my dear, Ross.
Yeah, I know. Finish, man.
You were good in practice.
Good.
Hey. Guys, it's all about precision. It's all about accuracy.
Yeah, it's in. No! It's in. Come on, Raz. Raz. Okay, take. Listen.
No! Calm down! No, I'm pushing you towards it.
Yeah. No, you're done.
Oh! Come on!
Let's take him out.
Carry on.
Where do you go?
They're not all in the same place.
Oh, they're not. Jesus, I'm finished.
Good luck. Off you go. Great goal.
Keep playing, man. Go.
Yeah. Off you go.
Because I was expecting him to.
Go ahead. Yeah, sit down. Sorry. Not the way down, Robot.
Open goal again, huh? I don't know what. What are you doing?
Go. Yeah, you stay on.
Just go forward.
Right, wait.
Go. Just let your thing go, not on the ball.
Yes, legend.
No. I'm in the goal. No!
Should I put it here, right?
Yeah. Space is the right part. I don't want to see any more running. Go. Another goal.
We are going to be.
How was it? How was it? What are you doing, bro?
And you went if you are ready, this is easy now.
But I'm still trying to figure out.
It's so bad.
Come on, man.
After a fast start to the game.
No, don't. Yeah. Oh, you better cover that. How's he going back on? How does he know what he's doing? Hey, ref.
I feel like that's foul.
Go on.
Run to play.
Come on. Get up, hurry it up.
I'll be honest, that's a yellow.
Oh no!
Yeah. Hey, move, boys. It's going. Go on. Do your thing. Wrong way. No, going wrong way.
Halfway. Go.
Yeah.
No.
Come on.
There.
He scored anyway, so. Injured player, it happens. The ball ain't going out of play. Second. First goal switching to the rubber.
Keep it.
No, somebody must have done it.
Coming through. Alright, mate, you're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. Where is it? Hold on. 191. Where's 2?
Yeah, go. Is it over?
I need one in it. Or do I need both? Just one, just one.
He usually scores from outside the box.
Come on, boys. Legend. Yeah! 100 respect moments.
We had some struggles. Not all the teammates were like on point in the game, but you know, if one player is not on his point, then you need to help him. And I think we did well, Bojan and I. So yeah, like I said, sometimes players are not on their best level, and then you just need to help them. Hopefully, it's not going to happen more often than this, but I'm just happy that we got the win.
Skip! Wow!
We'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.